right, guys, it's Vera Sweeney from Lady in the Blog, and I just finished up a batch of chocolate chip cookies, and I thought to myself I should do a really quick video on how to freeze cookie dough, because you know what, I really don't normally make the full-fledged batch when I make fresh cookie dough at home, because the truth of the matter is we never really get through it and we end up throwing cookies away. I know that's weird. I know we should consume cookies at an alarming rate, but we just don't. So I usually make about a dozen at a time, and then I freeze the rest, and I give us about a week or two, and then I pop in the next batch and I have it nice and fresh. And I wanted to show you how you can do the same thing, just in case you guys don't want your kids to have 3, 4, 5 cookies at a time. You can spread out a homemade batch very easily with a Ziploc bag and a spoon. So this is what you have to do. There's different thoughts behind this process. I mean, you can make this into a log, and then as you're defrosting it, you can cut it up after it's defrosted. But what I like to do is I like to make these into balls, just like I'm about to put it on the pan, and then I put it right into my bag. So I repeat this process over and over again until I use all of my cookie dough. Press it down, get it going. Repeat, repeat, repeat. I'm not gonna bore you and fill this whole entire bag, but you get the idea. Finish my entire bowl, have this whole entire bag sealed. Usually what I would do is I would try to fold this up, try to get as much air out as possible, put the date on the bag, throw it in the freezer, and then give it about a week or two. You can truly give this, I don't even know, a few more weeks than that, but I never let it go more than 1 or 2 weeks. And then let it defrost, and then cook it as you would normally your cookies, as if you were making it homemade, straight out of the bowl with your ingredients list. So that's the secret, and they taste just as you would, just as you were making it straight from batch. So it won't taste frozen, it won't taste any different, your kids won't know the difference, and you'll still have that home cooked feel. So make your sort of little rolls as you would putting it on your pan, freeze it, put it in a freezer bag, and you will be good to go.